Okay.
Hi everybody, I'm here now in Mindanao and we are visiting the cousin of Tita Olivia who been married to British. So look at the house, it's very nice house, mother. So very nice house, guys. So ayan siya. So let's go, mother, let's go. And sundan mo. Alika na, video mo na ako habang naglalakad.
Ayan na.
Wait lang, mother. Hi everybody, I'm here now in Mindanao and we are visiting the house of Tita Sidad, Madam Sidad, who's married to British. So why wala siyang mother? Wala siyang ayan, ulit tayo guys. Guys, hi everybody. So I'm here now in Mindanao. We are visiting the cousin of Tita Olivia here in Naawan, Misamis Oriental, and she's been married to British. So ayan yung house guys, ang ganda. Let's go. I'm gonna turn you around. Let's go, mother. So ayan yung aking camera woman is my mother.
Oh.
So ayan guys, tingnan nyo yung ano niya, yung property niya here in Mindanao is so very nice. So here, ang ganda. So ayan guys, so as you can see, marami siyang trees of, ayan pakita mo, coconut trees. Ano nga yung tawag dito yung halaman na to, pampaswerte. So ayan guys. So I'm gonna tour you here sa property ni Madam Sidad. Si Tita Sidad. Ayan. Let's go, mother. Here's my mother, my camera woman, and the house there. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Ay, matapos na ako, mother.
Dali ka, mag-charge ka doon.
And guys, i-tour ko lang kayo for a minute, no? So this is the family cousins. So ayan yung bahay, ayan si mother. So ayan, mother. So ito pala yung swimming pool na hindi na